Presence. Absence. I didn't feel her presence. I know the real reason for his absence. Intentional. Accidental. I have never intentionally hurt anyone. The policy covers accidental loss or damage. Lazy. Active. He is a lazy person. He is an active person. Subtract. Add. Subtract 3 from 15. Shall I add your name to the list? Shall I add your name to the list? Deny. Admit. You cannot deny this opportunity to me. You cannot deny this opportunity to me. Don't be afraid to admit to your mistakes. Child. Adult. The burned child fears the fire. The burned child fears the fire. I have lived most of my adult life in London. I have lived most of my adult life in London. Elementary. Advanced. I know a little elementary science. I know a little elementary science. He teaches English to advanced students. He teaches English to advanced students. Negative. Affirmative. He gave me a negative answer. He gave me a negative answer. I am expecting an affirmative answer. Before. After. Hear twice before you speak once. Hear twice before you speak once. Rain comes after sunshine. Rain comes after sunshine. For. Against. Fry an egg for me. Fry an egg for me. There is no medicine against death. There is no medicine against death. Argue. Agree. Why do you argue against me? Why do you argue against me? I don't agree with you. Refuse. Agree. He cannot refuse if you ask politely. He cannot refuse if you ask politely. I agree with you to some extent. None of. A lot of. None of the answers are right. I have a lot of free time today. I have a lot of free time today. Different. Alike. Each one is different. Each one is different. The two brothers look very much alike. The two brothers look very much alike. Dead. Alive. A dead man will never revive. A dead man will never revive. She was found alive but unconscious. Forbid. Allow. I forbid you to go swimming. I don't think he would allow it. Not yet. Already. The wound has not yet healed. The wound has not yet healed. I have already told him. I have already told him. Never. Always. You can never win. I have always liked him. Professional. Amateur. She is a professional dancer. She is an amateur in dancing. She is an amateur in dancing. Bore. Amuse. I don't want to bore you. I don't want to bore you. He amused us with a funny story. He amused us with a funny story. Modern. Ancient. His house is very modern. His house is very modern. Do you like ancient history? Do you like ancient history? New. Ancient. Look at my new car. I like to learn ancient languages. Devil. Angel. An idle brain is the devil's workshop. An idle brain is the devil's workshop. She has the face of an angel. She has the face of an angel. Human. Animal. After all, a hero is human. After all, a hero is human. A horse is a large animal. A horse is a large animal. Satisfy. Annoy. This work does not satisfy me. This work does not satisfy me. Do I annoy you? Do I annoy you? Ask. Answer. Can you answer me? Can you answer me? May I ask why? May I ask why? Question. Answer. May I ask a question? May I ask a question? I need an answer. I need an answer. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.